It's a rod and plunger type day today. Come to a job here to have a look at the gully that's overflowing. You can see there from the gully, it's very greasy. Lots of grease around it, grease on the grill there. What we do is we get the plunger in, and what we're trying to do is push the waste around what's called a gully trap, and that's very similar to the U-bend that's underneath your kitchen sink.
Yeah, I know. You can put a few more
Stuff congeals in there and it gets stuck. Really. And what we've done there is pushed it through, and you can see it's running away. But it's running away a little bit slow because of all that grease, loads of grease. Yeah, a little screwdriver in there, and we're just going to give it a little clean and a little bit of a tidy, a bit of a sluice through. Still looks to be running a little bit slow, but we'll give everything a bit of a clean and a tidy and put it all back together. And what we do is we'll go round to the front of the property and have a look at the drain at the front of the property to see whether it's coming through neatly. So we'll get some water, chuck a little bit of a green tracing dye in there. This is just like food colouring, for want of a better thing. Give it a little stir, magic potion. We're going to chuck that in the gully. See, it's still running a little bit slow. Whistle on round to the front, and hopefully by the time we get around the front, that should be coming through into the manhole. Nothing coming through, just a little trickle. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to get the jetting machine out, and we're going to have to give it a little blast. This is just our jetting hose. We can twist this and move this to where we want to jet to. Very handy. Drag the hose out, heading off to the manhole. And this is just high pressure water. This is it's got a little jet nozzle on the end, very similar to like your household pressure washers, just a little bit more powerful. And it sends the hose up, and the jetting nozzle's got several little outlets on it, and that just breaks down anything that's in the pipe, be it sewage or waste or paper. And in this case, it's grease that we're trying to attack. So as we go up there, what we're looking for is for that hose to go nice and quiet. We know that that's burying itself into the waste, and if you listen up, you'll hear it go quiet. And it's at this point that we know we're on a blockage. We've got some water coming back there now. So we'll give that a run through several times and make sure it's nice and clear, bring back any of the waste, chuck a little bit more down the gully now, and hopefully this time we'll see it running away a little bit quicker out this gully. Get round to the front of the property, and then hopefully by the time I get there, we're looking as green as the Hulk, and that's it. Perfect, coming through before I even got there. We'll check it now over to this is the manhole before it runs out into the road, and if we got it coming through here, it's homeward bound. Perfect, lovely job.